What's up, guys? We're at the skate park here. I was gonna get some clips for you, but as you can tell, there's nobody here to really help me record. So instead, I figured we'll just do a bike check on what the parts I have on my bike. So we'll start out with the frame. It is a Fit Inman frame, level 2. It's actually an old frame of my buddy's that I got off of him. Can't go wrong with Fit though, it's pretty nice. It was black. With forks, we have Division forks hooked up to a Shadow Conspiracy front rim with a Shadow Conspiracy little one chrome peg on front and back. And then coming up to the top, we have a Shadow Conspiracy Raptor stem and chrome as well. These are Fit bars, I want to say. I've had them for years, I couldn't even tell you. With Colt Vans grips that were white, then they didn't stay white for very long. I have a Fit bar stool fat pivotal seat, nice and soft, with a Shadow Conspiracy chrome seat post. For cranks, I don't even know what these cranks are. I have new Sabrosa bitchin' cranks I'm going to be putting on sometime this season. This is a Colt sprocket with a chain guard on the side so it protects the chain. This is a KMC chain. It's actually thicker than normal chains, but it's not a half link, just normal link. It does the job. This back rim is about shot. It's about as straight as your ex-girlfriend. But it's alright. Pedals. These are E-Clap pedals. Gotta get some new ones. And yeah, that's pretty much my bike setup. Like I said, I was gonna try to get some clips for you guys, but don't know how I would record with nobody here to hold my phone for me. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. This is my current bike setup. And yeah, have a good day, guys.